Hi friends, welcome to the Mule4 tutorial. So today we are going to build one API that will print hello world. So it's a simple basic program. Before starting the programming part, the first question that comes into the mind is what is MuleSoft? MuleSoft is a data integration platform which builds to connect a variety of data sources and application. So it is basically used to perform ETL process in cloud as well as on premises. So let's start with the Anypoint Studio. So in Anypoint Studio, this section is called Package Explorer. Here you will get the list of projects that you have created yet. This is called Canvas, where you can design your flow or do some coding. And this is called Mule Palette. So within the Mule Palette, you will get all the components that you can use to design your flow. So once we create the API, you will able to see a number of components here. And this is called console. So once you run your program and build it, so you will able to see all the logs here, whether it is successfully deployed or not. So let's start. To create one API, you have to first click on file, then new project. Here you have to provide a valid project name. So like I am providing hello world. So if you will provide here any space, it will be invalid. So then you have to click on finish button. Within Package Explorer, you will able to see the project Hello World that you have just created, and within the Hello World project, you will able to see all the folder structure. So within source main mule folder, you will able to see your XML that you have just created. It's hello world.xml. So this is the hello world.xml. Now once the source will trigger this API, so there should be one listener that will listen the request from the source. So first we will configure one listener. So within the mule palette, you will able to see one listener. It's listener HTTP. So just drag and drop it here. Now we have to configure this listener. So we can configure it from here. So here is two buttons. One is add button. So whenever you want to just create one new configuration, you have to click on the add button, and in case you want to just edit it, so you have to click on the edit button. So here we will create one. Now if we want to use HTTP, you can provide HTTP protocol here, and in case you want to just configure HTTPS listener, so in that scenario you have to choose here HTTPS from the drop down like this. Now you can just change the host and port as per your requirement. I will keep it as it is. So now you can test it whether the connection is successful or not. So it's successful. Now click on OK. So here we have just configured port and protocol. So the race thing, that is the path, we will configure here. So I am just providing hello world. So it's done. Now in this programming we just want to print hello world. So just we have to just replace the entire payload with the hello world, nothing else. So for that, here if we see within the palette, you will be able to see one component is there, it's set payload. Just drag and drop it here, and within the value section you just provide the hard coded value. It's hello world. So it's simple. So now we will run it. So to run, you have to just right click here. Just wait. Yeah, you have to right click here and you will get run project option. Just click on that, and here it has been started. So here it's showing that it has been deployed successfully. Now we can test it. So here for testing purpose I am using SOAP UI. Here we have provided endpoint that we have just configured within our listener, and this is the path that we have configured. And since we are here, we are not updating or creating anything, we are just fetching the data. That means we are just hard coded. So that's why I'm here selected get method. Just run it. See, we are getting hello world. Now I'm changing the value here just to see whether we are getting correct value or not. So I am doing here hello India. Now we will taste it again. Should be hello India. So we are getting here hello India. So it's a simple basic program, guys. You can do just do one hands on, and if you have any query you can just inbox me. Thank you.